Hello, everybody.
And hello, everybody!
It's Adam.
And Petri, the parrot, yeah!
We are here today to talk about how to get attention.
I like attention.
And I love attention too. Do you know what? There's some good ways to do it and some not good ways to do it.
I don't know, I just like it.
I know, I like it too, but let's talk about two good ways to get attention and then two bad ways to not get attention. Which one do you want to do first? You can choose.
Let's do the bad ones.
Okay, one of the things that I do not like for attention is if people pull my hair.
Ouch!
So if someone were to pull hair, that would say,
Ow! I don't like that.
I would agree. I do not like that. That would not feel good for someone to pull my hair or to pinch.
Oh, well, okay, that's two bad ways. What way works?
One way is if you can say, I need something with your words. But if you don't have words, you can use your finger and tap. Or I can point if I need to point to what I need without words.
Oh, so tapping?
Or pointing can help me if I can't use my words. Or I could always say, will you help me? And I can use this symbol for help.
Oh, okay, so that's how you get attention?
It is. That's how you can get attention. Do you want to give some attention right now to the kids out there?
Yes, I think you are awesome. I think you are cool, and if you were birds, you'd be even cooler.
Okay, well, I'm glad you think so highly of them. I do too.
I know, I think they're awesome. Bye, kids. Have fun getting attention with a tap or a point. Or you can say, help me, please.
You got it. What a great way to get attention and to start off our day. Thanks.